Hey guys, today I'm taking a challenge, eating 5 different Hanoi street food all under $5. Is that possible now in 2025? Let's find out together. This pork is light but so flavorful. It's not the flashy, oily kind of pork. This one is a real pork and the old school style in Hanoi. This place is called Unported, but wait, don't mix it up with Unported in another street, Lorduk Street. Different place, totally different vibe. This place have been here in 1955, yes, nearly 70 years. And this one was run by Mr. Bùi Chí Thìn right after Hanoi gained peace again. And now it was run by his grandson, with same name and same recipe. They serve the classic in here. Radish, fritters and flanks. No garlic oil and no stir-fry thing stuff. Only clean broth, good beef and whole history. Local actually call this one as Phở Thìn Bờ Hồ because it's right next to Hoàn Kiếm Lake. It's not just the meal, it's kind of like a Sunday morning traditional breakfast of Hanoian. And guess what? This is only cost 50,000 Vietnam dong, that's $2. And for one dish down, 4 to go. And let's see if I can complete this food challenge. Oh, look at 2 little golden rolls in here. It's only 14,000 Vietnam dong for 2 crispy spring rolls like this. It's around 50 cents total again. That crunch, you hear that? That one is the sound of happiness. It's very crispy outside, but inside very soft. I think it's carrots, mushroom, pork with vermicelli. It's like a bite-size of flavor bomb. So, Nam Dang is everywhere in Hanoi, but at this spot, in 21 Hàng Bè Street, is the local favorite. And this place, no fancy sign, no chair, just the sidewalk and sizzling pancake is the only take. You know what I love? The fry is right in front of you. Serve it hot and the chili sauce hit just the right spot. And I'm standing in the sidewalk. That's perfect. Alright, so 3 more to go. I will enjoy every bite. It's not just a street food, it's street magic. Let's go. golden boy is only 10,000 Vietnam dong. It's less than 50 cents. Are you kidding me? It's chewy inside and crispy outside. Look at this. It's like donut but the way lighter and cheaper. So this kind of snack we will buy without thinking. It's just like we're walking down the street and smell something good and then boom, we have 4 things in here. We call this is bánh rán ngọt. Actually, this sweet fried cake. No rule, morning, lunch, dinner, every time, rainy day or sunny day like this one. It always works. Who want the fancy dessert when I have this one? One bite and I will come back 5 years old again. Alright, it's time for the drink and nothing beats nước mía, a sugarcane juice. It's shake from the breast. Look at the color, fresh, cold and sweet, and it's only 10,000 Vietnam dong for pure refreshment. Wow, after pho, nem and bánh rán, this is exactly what I want. It's like mini vacation in a plastic cup. In Hanoi, you will find nước mía everywhere. Tiny stones, street corner or school gate. It's not just a drink, it's a memory for many of us. This tastes like childhood summers. Okay, one more dish to go and I'm still under $5. Okay, final stop and only 8,000 Vietnam dong for this place. It's soft, cold and a little bit bitter on top with caramel. The texture is egg, milk, sugar steamed together and somehow it tastes like my childhood. This little shop in Hang Tan Street is simple place, but a lot of people in here. And if you ask any Hanoian, yeah, they will tell you they used to eat in here after school. Okay, buy this under $5. Mission complete. Hello mọi người. So, find this under $5 with one full of belly. Hanoi street food, affordable, delicious, and full of surprise. What would you eat in Hanoi with under $5? Comment below and maybe we will try out that one in the next videos. If you like $5 challenge with me, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Plenty flavor is waiting for us in next exploit. See you there.